How to fix your washer locked and won't turn on. Detailed guide. To fix a washer that is locked and won't turn on, first check the power supply and ensure the washer is properly plugged in and that the outlet is working. Next, check the circuit breaker or fuse box to see if a breaker has been tripped or a fuse has blown. If the power supply is not the issue, check the child lock feature, which is a common cause of a washer not turning on. This feature can be activated by accident and will prevent the washer from operating. Consult your user manual to find out how to deactivate the child lock on your specific model. Another possible cause is a faulty lid switch, which is a safety feature that prevents the washer from operating when the lid is open. If the lid switch is faulty, the washer will not turn on. You can try to replace the lid switch or consult a professional for assistance. Additionally, check the drain pump filter, which can become clogged with debris and prevent the washer from turning on. Clean or replace the filter as needed to resolve the issue. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be a more complex problem, such as a faulty control board or a malfunctioning motor. In this case, it is recommended to consult a professional appliance repair technician who can diagnose and fix the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your washer and get it up and running again. Regular maintenance and troubleshooting can help prevent future problems and extend the lifespan of your appliance.